Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix ChatGPT unable to load site problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of two small steps. The first step is to clear site data. To do this, open up our browser. Click on the three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select third party cookies. Scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. In here search for OpenAI. Click on the trash icon and select delete it guys. After doing this, the second step is to reset our internet guys. To do this, you just need to close it off here. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this codes used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. After finishing this, we also need to reset our internet from Windows settings guys. To do this, close it out here and go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes. And after doing this, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to change DNS. To do this, go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and in preferred DNS you just need to type 1111. In alternative DNS you just need to type 1001. Click on OK. This is Cloudflare DNS server guys. Now you just need to close it off here and now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to use a different browser. The problem may be with our browser guys. If this is the case, you can use Opera browser or Brave browser or Firefox browser until the problem is solved. One more thing I need to mention about it guys. As it says in the error message, you can try turn offing your VPN guys. You need to make sure to turn off VPN in browser extension, and if you are using any VPN programs like Proton VPN, you just need to turn it off guys. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.